Hi friends! In the previous video, we have learned about how to turn different stitches into one, which is a decrease. Today we will talk about mixing different stitches in the same stitch, which is a mix increase. I will show you some examples of mixing basic stitches into the same stitch. The first one is single crochet and half double crochet. So start with a single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, insert into the same stitch again and make a half double crochet. Now you have 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet in one stitch. I'm gonna try another one with a half double crochet and a double crochet. Work your half double crochet first, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over again and make a double crochet in the same space. You can see a height difference between the two. These are awesome for wavy effects. You can always go with a big contrast like a single crochet and a double crochet in one stitch, and not only 2 stitches in one space. It can be 3, 4, 5 or more stitches in one space. Basically, you can feel free to mix things up by increasing any number of different stitches to the same space. The rule is to work the full stitches one after the other. So have fun playing around with different combos and see how your work changes. Don't forget to subscribe for more free crochet tutorials. I'll be back soon.